Alright! Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video today, we're playing a game called Garten of Banban. Honestly, don't even know what this game is. Originally, I tried to create a video originally playing this game, but it was ruined pretty much. But it's fine. Only made it to the burp part where you find the eggs, but most of my videos always have to get ruined. I hope this one doesn't. So we're going to start playing Garten of Banban. There is also a second chapter, it says over here. But make sure to subscribe and like the video. And that's all. So let's click new game. Alright. Alright, for a parent looking for their missing child, there's a delete matter. Click the quick advance. That's pretty scary. Like when I was originally doing this video, I just skipped all of it. But alright, I know you can jump. Alright, Banban's kindergarten. Jumbo Josh says, eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. Good. I know that. Oh, that requires a key card. Oh, look over here at the cafeteria. Wait, over here is the. Alright, guys. Over here is where you get your yummy drinks and your yummy food, like burritos. Also, you can also die. I hate it. Alright, let's get the key card. Good. So we're at the open blue doors. Oh look, we have a little drum thingy. Don't forget about that too. Now that requires 2 batteries. I wonder where I could be. I never read this. Singer Foyne says, having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. I bet it can help you. Oh yeah, you're red one. Alright. Okay, go over there. Alright, we're just going to, it's over there. Alright, why am I so scared? Bro, why am I just like Huggy Wuggy? I hate being in the dark. Turn on the lights! Oh, hi, mister. A player bird mission. A player bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs and get your prize. Alright, 1. We have 2. 3. 4. Woo. a 6. 1. Oh. 6! Again, I think we found one. Why did it give me a little key? That key card? Why did it give you a key card? Alright, so here's where I stopped at. I'm trying to go over here. So the first place I went is over here. And over here is where pretty much my bay was ruined. The toy cannot be directly commanded to breakable material. I don't even get to read that. Over here at the naughty corner. Well, I mean, if y'all subscribe, you're naughty. So if you're not a subscriber, go over here and stay there for the rest of your life. Oh. Go over here, my guy. That's pretty funny how it just... Bro, that's pretty funny, unnecessary-ish. I swear if you hit the wall... If you hit the wall again, I'm going to scream. I had no idea it could do that. I thought it said it couldn't. Why did it just open? Oh, there is a thing in here. Oh, there's a hammer! Because on the back of a hammer, there's a little crowbar looking thingy. Alright, if y'all want, you can sit here. Hey, yo, what do we do here? What's this? Does this do anything? Oh, look, there's a little... Ooh, almost fell! There's a little seat thingy. Alright, just sit. We'll just sit. Ooh, we're gonna fall. Alright, what's my color? How am I supposed to know that? I remember you being red because that's what it said. Frick. How does this game expect me to remember? I think you're white. I think you're green. Jumbo Josh. And pink. That one's purple, I believe. I'm just using whatever's in my mind. I don't know, that was red, white, green. What's this? Does it tell me? That was scary. How do I view my inventory? But how do I view my inventory or whatever? Oh, the bird thingy is pink. Then what's the monster thing looking guy? Alright. I haven't used that yet, so. Is that right? Red, white, green, pink, blue. Yep. Now it's right. There ain't an orange on there. Is there an orange? So, can I like press the button now? How do I press the button on my board? My heart's pounding. But what do I do? I think I'm supposed to just run straight and jump down. Oh, like I was close. It just got to me. Whatever the drone is. There, bruh. You never died, Mr. Birdie. I swear, when you kill me the first time, it was pretty scary. What do I do next? What do I do next? What do I do next? First, bro, it's funny how he fell, like, kind of like how you would. I just know something. This game is a lot like Poppy Playtime. Because when I play that bird thing, he was there. And he got close, he did that. And she did this. Went to the straight darkness. I hate that. Oh, you're right there. Like, yeah. I just noticed. Is this door? Oh, can I open this door again? Oh, I can. Look, another one of these stupid. Why did I call everything stupid? AMR key card thingies in here. Oh, I don't know where that came from. Wait, am I allowed to press the button? I don't know, so we need to go in here. Wait, I wonder if I could like go in there. Oh, cool. What'd I just do? Oh, that works now. Now that works. Why is that? It probably does nothing. Still, I don't want to go in there. That's completely just darkness. I feel like I'm gonna die. Or maybe. A Opila bird is there. Oh, it's just an elevator. It's just an elevator. I can't wait to do some elevator. Do I get to bring my drone with me? Go. Wait, go. Go! Go! My best friend! Wait, no, you can't leave me. No. I'll always love you, Mr. Drone. Anyways, why am I in complete darkness? Why am I in darkness? I don't like it. I'm scared. What? Whoa, Mr. Red Blessing Baby, you're pretty scary. Oh my gosh. My gosh. Jumbotron. You declare me. Ooh. What just happened? What happened? What just happened? Thanks for playing. Wishlist the sequel here. Actually, I might wishlist that. Yeah, that was an awesome game, but also hated how I knew most of it because part of my last video was ruined. But guys, that was fun. Like and subscribe and comment if you want a part 2, chapter 2 or whatever. And that's it.